Hello, is Señora Concepción, and this is the brief lesson about the verb estar. Estar, we use estar to express the position of an object or the location of a place. Also to express an action happening at the moment that you're talking. Condition, whether you're sick or tired, and then to express emotions. The conjugation in the present tense, the conjugations are yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis y ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Now, be mindful that you are going to need to remember to write these conjugations the correct way and that they have an accent mark in these forms, in the two, in the third person, both singular and plural, in the vosotros. But notice that in the nosotros, in the we are, you don't need an accent mark. Well, on this lesson, you are going to see sentences where we use start in each one of these conditions, and hopefully it will help you to learn how to use estar well. El verbo estar. The conjugations of the verb estar in the present tense are the following. Yo estoy, I am. But look, yo estoy, where am I? Yo estoy en la escuela. Or when you're talking about location, where are you? ¿Dónde estás? Yo estoy en la escuela. Tú estás, you are in the singular informal way. Tú estás escuchando a la maestra. So here, an active action taking place right now. Él está. ¿Cómo está él? Él está nervioso. So when you use está, you are asking about the emotional state or the condition that a person might be. And notice that this, when está, you're asking about a condition that is temporary, that can change. Now let's see. Usted está, and remember this is the singular you when you are addressing one person, but the situation, the background is formal. Let's see. ¿Cómo está usted, señora Gómez? Now you're addressing probably an older person, and you are asking, how are you? Emotional health condition, or just as a small talk, greeting. Hello, how are you? Ella está. You're talking about her, and she is. Let's see. ¿Le gusta la fiesta? ¿Cómo está ella? Ella está feliz. What is she feeling right now? Right now, she is happy. Now you in English you have it is, but in Spanish we don't. So we use the third person. And if you're talking about a place or an item, you can use the third person singular. The like here, La Casa Blanca. La Casa Blanca, the White House. La Casa Blanca está. The White House is. And so you can ask, ¿Dónde está la Casa Blanca? You're asking, where is the White House? You want to know about the location. So you're going to use está. El parque infantil está. So here we have another example. ¿Dónde está el parque infantil en Calgary? Where is the playground? El verbo estar. Okay, let's see the other forms. Vosotros estáis. Remember that this is the one that is used mainly in Spain and is when you are addressing a group of people and the situation is informal. ¿Qué estáis haciendo? What are you all doing right now? Ustedes están. ¿Qué están haciendo? What are you all doing right now? It's the same question. It's just where the context of where you are. Okay? Nosotros estamos. You can respond to that question. We are doing something. Estamos escuchando atentamente. We are listening carefully. So here we have ustedes están, you all are, ¿qué están haciendo? What are you all doing? Okay, but here we have, I just did this so you can see that for ustedes, it's the same conjugation that you will use for ellos y ellas. Ellos están, ellas están. They are, they are. Ellos están aprendiendo. María y Paloma están estudiando. So all these are examples of action taking place right now. El verbo estar. Los libros, here we have more than one item, están. They are. Los libros están en la biblioteca. The books are in the library. Las pizzas están. Las pizzas están encima de la mesa, on top of the table. The pizzas are on top of the table. And tomorrow, on the next lesson, we are going to practice more about the location of items. To talk about an action taking place right now. Okay, it is similar to English. It has two parts. So you see, she is playing. So this is an action taking place right now, and you use two verbs. The one is will conjugate for this one, and then the second one is the ing form. She's playing, he's studying, you are bathing, we are getting ready. First part. For the first part, you will use the conjugation of the verb estar. Okay, so you will like you do in English, you conjugate accordingly. And then the second part, the ing part, is the one that you are changing the ending. It is an AR verb. If it is an AR verb, then replace AR for ando. If it is an ER or IR verb, you are changing the ending to yendo. Okay, let's take a look. She is playing. First of all, you need to know the playing is to play, and to play in Spanish is jugar. Okay, so jugar is an AR verb, so you replace the AR for ando. And so you have the ing version in Spanish is jugando. And then the rest is that you are going to replace, you're going to use estar for this verb tense. And so you're going to conjugate according to ella. Ella está jugando. So here you have it. Ella está jugando. Now your turn. Translate the following. He is studying. You are bathing. Now, you are bathing, you have a reflexive verb. So you need to conjugate with the reflection. And then the third one, you are getting ready. Again, you have reflection there to prepare oneself. Él está estudiando. Studying comes from to study. To study means estudiar. Is an AR verb. So you are changing the AR for ando. So you have it here, estudiando. And then you conjugate the verb estar according to él. Él está estudiando. Now, here we have reflection. So you know this so far that bañarse has that reflection. So that reflection, the SE has to agree with tú. Okay, tú is the doer of the action. So it goes, tú te estás bañando. So you're going to place that reflexive pronoun before the conjugated verb, and then you are going to change bañar. Bañar is an AR verb. You're going to replace the AR for ando. Now we're going to practice the same sentence, but the you changes. You are bathing. You when is usted. You are bathing. You when is vosotros. You are bathing. You when is ustedes. You are bathing. Usted se está bañando. Vosotros os estáis bañando. Ustedes se están bañando. So look, here you conjugate according to usted, está. Then you select the reflexive verb, reflexive pronoun according to usted. And then the second verb, you just change it to the ing form, bañando. Vosotros os estáis bañando. Again, estáis agrees with vosotros. Os is the reflexive form for vosotros. Vosotros os estáis bañando. Ustedes se están bañando. Están agrees with ustedes. Ustedes se están bañando. Okay. Translate the following. You are getting ready to prepare oneself. Again, you need the reflection. Prepararse, prepararse. Remember it. Tú te estás preparando. Look, the reflexive pronoun agrees with tú. The verb estar agrees, the conjugation estás agrees with tú. And then the second verb, prepararse, preparar, is an AR, so you change to an ing form, preparando. And look at the same, usted se está preparando, vosotros os estáis preparando, ustedes se están preparando. Notice that ing form is the same in all these sentences. What needs to agree with the subject of the sentence is estar, as well as the reflexive pronoun. Now, verbs that end in IR or ER, like for example, María is writing, María escribe. Then if we want to change it to an action happening now, we are going to add estar. We're going to conjugate María está, and then we are going to change escribir, because it's ends in IR, to yendo. María está escribiendo. What is she doing right now? She is writing. Now you turn. El chico is drinking a lot of Coca-Cola. Los chicos are eating pepperoni pizza. Mi familia is leaving Atlanta. El chico está bebiendo mucha Coca-Cola. Los chicos están comiendo. Mi familia está viviendo en Atlanta.